So this was actually our second family home. It was last renovated in the 90s. It was very, very dated and not the best use of space. So we decided, why not, and redo the whole house. So I chose Metropolitan because Mike is actually my cousin, and I know that his attention to detail and professionalism was what gravitated me to connecting with them. And Lisa has always had such a great flair for design, so I was really excited to work with her. And I knew I would need her expertise for this whole home transformation. So Metropolitan did a complete redesign and renovation of our entire house. They gave us a new staircase and they curved the wall, which we were able to put this fantastic wallpaper design on it, and it made extra space to have this integrated kitchen table into the island. I was a little iffy about it until they put it on paper and showed me, and I was blown away, and I said yes immediately. Yeah. We use this all the time. It's so functional, so easy to keep clean. We absolutely love it and couldn't live without it. So Lisa's style was exactly what we were looking for, and I don't think this project would have turned out as nice if it wasn't for her and her vision. What can I say about Mike? He was great. He was always on top of everything. He kept us updated. He always had great ideas and suggestions. He kept the worksite very clean. Mike and all the workers were very respectful of all our neighbors, which was very important. And above all, he was a true professional, and we couldn't have asked for anything better. Mike and Lisa not only fulfilled our expectations, but well exceeded them. The functionality of our new home is night and day from what it previously was. Besides being absolutely beautiful, it's much more functional for our family. Having the openness allows us to spend more time together. The large kitchen gives us the opportunity for all of us to be in the same area and not feel cramped. We absolutely love it, and we couldn't be any happier.